Have you ever wondered which vegetables can truly enhance your health after 60? You might be surprised by what these 10 nutrient-dense veggies can offer. Stay tuned, because these aren't your usual garden variety. 1. Mushrooms. Let's dive right in. First up, mushrooms. They might seem simple, but they come with a wealth of health benefits. Here's why. Mushrooms are rich in polysaccharides, which are prebiotic fibers that nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This aids digestion, enhances your immune system, and supports brain health. Research indicates that these polysaccharides can help balance gut microbiota, increase the production of short-chain fatty acids, and strengthen the intestinal mucosal barrier. You might have heard of melatonin, usually associated with sleep, but mushrooms also contain this potent antioxidant. Melatonin helps protect your cell's energy centers, leading to increased energy and overall health. Additionally, mushrooms are packed with antioxidants like ganoderic acid and glutathione, which may have neuroprotective effects and boost cognitive performance in older adults. Different mushrooms offer various benefits. Shiitake, excellent for gut health and cholesterol reduction. Lion's mane, supports brain health by promoting neuron growth. Reishi, known as the mushroom of longevity, it strengthens the immune system and has a taste reminiscent of dark chocolate. Cremini, these are also great, but stick to the brown varieties if you have gut issues. 2. Okra. Next, let's talk about okra. While it might not sound thrilling at first, give it a chance, it's actually a gut health powerhouse. Packed with soluble fiber that your gut bacteria thrive on, okra is quite beneficial. Here's an interesting fact: okra helps absorb lectins, which are proteins that can be harmful. By eating okra, you can block these lectins from causing damage. Additionally, the prebiotic fibers in okra send signals to your brain that you're full, reducing the urge to snack. Okra also offers a rich supply of antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support heart health, regulate blood sugar, and improve digestion. Try roasting okra in the oven with a touch of olive oil, salt, and pepper. They turn out crispy and delicious, almost like a healthier alternative to potato chips. Your gut will definitely appreciate it. 3. Watercress. Watercress is a leafy green that often gets overlooked but is packed with nutrients. It is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, which are crucial for eye health, immune function, and bone health, respectively. Watercress also boasts antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Furthermore, its high nitrate content can enhance blood flow and support cardiovascular health. 4. Carrots. Carrots aren't just for rabbits, they're beneficial for you as well. These colorful vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for healthy skin and vision. Carrots are also high in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting regularity. Additionally, they contain antioxidants that may reduce the risk of cancer and heart disease. Studies indicate that carrots can help lower cholesterol, improve digestion, and support immune function. Versatile in use, carrots can be enjoyed raw, roasted, or added to soups and stews. 5. Beets. Beets are another great option for seniors. They are high in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that improves blood flow and lowers blood pressure. Better blood circulation is especially advantageous for brain health, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Additionally, beets are a good energy source due to their natural sugars and high fiber content, which aids digestion. You can enjoy beets in salads, roasted, or even as a delicious juice. Research shows that beets can enhance cardiovascular health and support cognitive function. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse, especially for older adults. It's packed with vitamin K and choline, both crucial for preserving cognitive function and memory. Vitamin K is vital for bone health, which is important for seniors to prevent osteoporosis and fractures. Additionally, broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound known for its anti-cancer properties and its role in supporting overall cellular health. 7. Dark bitter greens. Let's now discuss dark, bitter greens such as arugula, Swiss chard, bok choy, and rucola. These greens are incredibly nutrient-dense and rich in polyphenol, which are excellent for nurturing your gut bacteria and enhancing mitochondrial health, resulting in improved energy levels and overall well-being. They are also high in vitamins A, C, K, and E, which are commonly missing from our diets. Research indicates that eating leafy greens daily can help slow cognitive decline and boost memory in older adults. Remember, the more bitter the green, the better. Studies suggest that people who live longer often consume a lot of bitter foods. So, consider adding these greens to your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. 8. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are not only tasty but also highly nutritious, making them a great choice for seniors aiming to boost their health. Rich in beta-carotene, sweet potatoes promote eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common vision issue in older adults. Additionally, their high fiber content aids in regulating blood sugar, making them an excellent option for seniors managing diabetes or prediabetes. 9. Bell peppers. Colorful bell peppers are not just visually striking, they're also packed with essential nutrients that support senior health. High in vitamin C, bell peppers enhance immune function and promote collagen production, which benefits the skin, joints, and blood vessels. Their antioxidant properties also help protect against cellular damage in chronic diseases, contributing to overall longevity and well-being. 10. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile cruciferous vegetable that provides numerous health benefits for seniors. Packed with choline, cauliflower supports brain health and cognitive function, enhancing mental clarity and memory retention. Additionally, its sulforaphane content has anti-inflammatory properties, making it advantageous for seniors dealing with conditions like arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. Now that you're familiar with the best foods to eat, here are 2 inventive ways to incorporate these super veggies into your daily meals. Number 1. Easy oven roasted veggies. Roasting vegetables is an easy and flavorful way to enjoy a range of tastes and textures. Here's how to do it. Ingredients: mushrooms, okra, dark leafy greens like arugula or Swiss chard, carrots, beets, broccoli, watercress, sweet potatoes, bell peppers, cauliflower. Instructions: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Wash and chop all the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Toss the vegetables in a bowl with olive oil, salt, and pepper. For extra flavor, you can add seasonings such as garlic powder, Italian seasoning, or paprika. Spread the vegetables in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast for 30 to 40 minutes, checking for doneness around 25 minutes. Softer vegetables like mushrooms and bell peppers can be added halfway through the roasting time to prevent overcooking. Roasted vegetables are versatile and can be enjoyed as a side dish, mixed into pasta, added to salads, or used as pizza toppings. Number 2. Veggie smoothie for a refreshing and nutritious. Kickstart your day with a veggie smoothie. Ingredients: watercress, spinach or other dark leafy greens, carrots, beets, apple or banana for sweetness, lemon juice, water or coconut water. Instructions: chop the vegetables into smaller pieces. Add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Add more water or coconut water if needed to achieve your preferred consistency. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. This smoothie is packed with vitamins and minerals, making it an excellent way to get your daily serving of vegetables. By incorporating these creative ideas into your daily routine, you can enjoy the health benefits of these super veggies in a variety of tasty ways. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.